For bathroom floor tile installation, use a polymer-modified thin-set mortar designed for wet environments to ensure a durable bond. Thin-set mortar is the standard choice for ceramic and porcelain floor tiles because it provides a high-strength mechanical bond to cement backerboard, concrete, and properly prepared substrates. Choose a latex or polymer-modified thin-set for wet areas because the added polymer increases flexibility, water resistance, and adhesion, which reduces the risk of tiles loosening when exposed to moisture and movement. For smaller repairs or installations where the substrate is stable and not exposed to excessive moisture, a premixed mastic can be used, but it has lower water resistance and is not recommended for floors in consistently wet areas. When installing over plywood or other movement-prone substrates, select a thin-set rated for use over wood or add an uncoupling membrane like a polyethylene mat to isolate tile from subfloor movement. Always mix thin-set to the manufacturer recommended consistency and let it slake for the time they specify, then remix gently. A too dry mix will not adhere well, and a too wet mix will slump and weaken the bond. Use a Notched-Trowel matched to tile size to achieve full bed coverage. Back butter large format tiles when required, and press tiles firmly with a slight twisting action to collapse ridges and eliminate voids beneath tiles. Common mistakes include using premixed mastic in regularly wet areas, which can cause tiles to loosen and grout to fail. Switch to a polymer-modified thin set for floors that see moisture. Another frequent error is inadequate coverage under tiles, especially with large format pieces, leading to hollow spots that break under load. Use the correct Notched-Trowel, back butter when needed, and test for full coverage by lifting a tile occasionally during the run. A third issue is improper substrate preparation, such as leaving dust, paint, or unstable boards, which prevents adhesion and causes delamination. Always clean and repair the substrate, install cement board or an approved underlayment where needed, and follow manufacturer requirements for priming or waterproofing. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors and enables contractors to find work by connecting people based on project type and location. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and tradespeople share practical tips, ask questions, and post real experiences about adhesives, substrates, and installation techniques.